World of distributed systems. Today, we'll explore a unique hands-on course designed to transform your engineering skills. We'll cover the course overview and benefits, what comprehensive system you'll build, who this course is for, and its unique differentiators. Let's begin. Imagine building a complete production-ready system design in just 1 year. This course makes that a reality. Through daily practical tasks, you'll develop expertise in scalable architectures and modern DevOps. You'll construct a system supporting millions of users, scaling horizontally, processing data efficiently, and ensuring high availability with low latency. It's a truly comprehensive endeavor. Who is this course for? It's perfect for CS graduates, job seekers, and software engineers leveling up. It also benefits system architects, DevOps engineers, and engineering managers seeking technical depth. What makes it different? A practical focus with daily tangible outputs, progressive learning from basics to complex, and full-stack coverage. You'll gain a production mindset using modern technologies like Kubernetes and Redis. The curriculum is extensive, covering everything from foundational concepts to advanced distributed systems. You'll master key areas like system decomposition, scalable backend design, and database optimization. We delve into API design, caching strategies, and crucial security principles. You'll expect to work with message queues, stream processing, and implement distributed analytics, search, and fault tolerance. It's a truly comprehensive deep dive into modern system design. In summary, this course offers a comprehensive, hands-on, and production-focused learning journey. You'll develop critical skills in scalable architectures and modern DevOps, opening doors to advanced engineering roles. By exploring diverse modules, you'll gain unparalleled expertise. Are you ready to start building your system design mastery today?